Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are going to learn Goa braid in a simple way. We need wool for this. I am taking center partition and brushing out the hair to remove any tangles. Take some wool according to your hair length. Here I am taking 5 colors of wool. Take a section, a smaller one, and knot the wool as I have shown in the video. Begin braiding as a normal braid. Once you have divided the hair, take the right section and cross it over the middle one, and take the left section and cross it over the middle section. Repeat until you have braided all the way down. Don't worry about the making it perfect. Goa braids are all about that relaxed natural look. The end of the braid, knot the wool as I have shown on the video. Cut the excess wool. Follow the same process on the other side as well. And that's it, ready to shine. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.